A pot of coffee is always here to welcome a friend. Iced tea is aplenty, like a friendship that never ends. Can't always get that tea kettle a whistling. Where recipes are shared with love, where bread recipes are shared on Saturdays, where a ton of cookbooks live and sometimes seem to follow me home.
So this next casserole dish is a pork casserole. And of course I'm making it my own a little bit. So this one, we got to brown some sausage. It says Italian sausage. I'm just use regular sausage. And of course, part of my sausage is frozen. And we're going to add to this 1 sweet pepper cut up. And we're going to cook all these until that sausage is brown. And then I'll be back for the next step. So while the sausage is browning, get your pasta. I'm using spaghetti. This does call for the spiral pasta. I don't have that, and I forgot to grab it today. But anyway, so we're going to use just plain old spaghetti. You want that cooked. So I got it cooked and drained. I probably should have left a little bit of water in there, but I did not. But we're going to cook it and drain it. So we've already got it cooked and drained. So now we're going to brown our sausage. And then we're going to put it all together plus 2 more ingredients. But the one will be, well, I'll show you in a little bit. Now that our sausage is brown, we're going to stir it into our pasta. I'm going to make sure I get all them yummy goodness. I'm going to stir that into our pasta. And I do have, so this is what we're doing right now. So now we're going to stir in 1 24-ounce can of pasta sauce that isn't meat. It shouldn't have meat in it. So, and we're going to stir that in. In the meantime, I do have my oven heating at 350 degrees. So I'm going to stir that in. Make sure that everything is coated. So we place it in our 9x13 casserole dish, and we're going to cover it up and put it in the oven to bake for about 25 minutes.
Welcome to my kitchen. A pot of coffee is always here